y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, as y'all can tell by the thumbnail, I'm gonna be going from bum to baddie. So if you guys want to see how I got my hair like this, then just keep on watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at allaboutLou. And yes, we're gonna jump straight into the video.
Rolling two-tone like the president, and it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame of Philippines, no kissing, no stain, no pressure clean. Ice at the chain with hella beats. While the water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might start copping going like I'm mustard. I won't ride the new rose of that pendant beat. We gon' got some Chanel, the double C. And I brought her a bag out of love of me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on the jet, hit another city. I got fans who gon' pay for me. I need my shit now, I can't wait a week. I fuck on that kitty, she take it deep. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. Want the roller two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
I killed a boy with no evidence. I pay my dues like everything.
I look a whole entire mess, bro. This is embarrassing. But after a long hour of dyeing the hair, this is what we got. Yes, call me ghetto. I did put them on pants hangers. That's how we gonna let them dry, because I don't want to mess up the pattern of the hair, which was body wave or loose wave. I'm gonna let them air dry, and I will be doing my hair in the morning. They should definitely be dry by then. It is currently the next day. It's October 21st, and last night I had my niece braid my hair for me because I cannot braid to save my life. Okay, so this is what the braid down look like. Last night I did go ahead and tell y'all that I dyed all of the bundles jet black, and it looks so freaking pretty. And it smells so good. It smells just like the rinse. And if y'all know what rinse smell like, if you know, you know. It smells so fruity and it just smells good. And I also use Cantu shampoo, and Cantu smells so good too.
Feature my best with that. About to pull up on you, hold my brother.
I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in.
I watched a couple YouTube videos before I decided to go ahead and do this. And they did say to cut the ears out so that it can look flatter or something like that. So that's what I'm about to do, and then I'm about to outline my leave out so that I don't get no tracks on my leave out.
Yo, Metro, I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. Want the roller two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame of Philippines, no kissing, no stain, no pressure clean. Ice at the chain with hella beats. While the water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might start copping going like I'm mustard. I won't ride the new rose of that pendant beat. We gon' got some Chanel, the double C. And I brought her a bag out of love of me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on the jet, hit another city. I got fans.
I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches neck so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog hoe, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass week, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I thought for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick too.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love.
Hey y'all, so my other niece J Marie is about to glue the top on here for me, because I'm tired of disappointment.
Man, you bitch back for that. Come at me about niggas who I don't even find attractive. I don't know that nigga, I just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me.
It's giving full sew-in, baby. It's giving full sew-in. The hair is really nice. I like this hair. It's so soft and flowy, and it's still got the wavy curly look. And now we about to flatten out the hair, and then I'm gonna take my leave out after I do that. So I'm gonna use my straightening comb.
When they go, I said about these niggas, I don't wanna hang with them. They don't have no business. They be going for anything, but I can't go for none of that. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? Cut that body off, they been feeling like a lumberjack. They really get me fucked up, and now I'm going for none of that. She the type of nigga make her mad, she going too some. Me, I'm kinda ratchet still, so I'm the type to be some. I can't love you, baby, like your bitch do, so don't leave her. He gon' choose her every time, cause it's cheaper to keep her. Can't say your name up in my songs.
Rip me out the plastic, I been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Throw so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you both. Gave the Bentley to valet and let that nigga dry the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grease. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took her meds. Shit around my neck, it cost her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me pre. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know.
Y'all, it's so hard to try to do the freeze spray and then blow dryer, then swoop, then freeze spray, then float. It's just so hard when you only got one hand. I'm about to keep playing with it. I'm just about to put some edge control here because I can't do the blow dryer and put the spray and comb it and swoop it and I can't do all of that. So
Gave me a holiday, bitch. All kind of shit. Made me pull my diamond tester out. You bitch, you counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying. If it's beef, then let me know. Baby, why you hiding?
this is as much as I can do with my little side part, edges and stuff. I don't know what else to do. I'm no hairstylist, okay?
I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know.
Okay, y'all. Okay. I did a little something. Sorry if y'all hear my TV in the background. I'm watching series of unfortunate events on Netflix, and it's really good. I love this TV show. But okay. I see. I could do a little bit of something with the help of my nieces, of course. But okay. Now I'm about to try to curl my hair, and I pray to God it curls right because I really want to want my hair curled, not straight. So you about to see. I can tell that this already not about to go well, so I'm about to just leave it straight. Y'all can tell in the video, I'm not no hairstylist. I know the basics of stuff, but I'm not no hairstylist. And like, I really wanted to wear my hair curly. I wanted a side part with curls, real flowy, real cute. But I don't know how to curl to save my life. So I'm just not, I wasn't even about to go there and waste my time. But this is how the style looks. I tried to do like my edges and all with the freeze spray, then blow dry it, then swoop it, then blow dry it. That's just hard to do when you're only one person and you only got 2 hands. So I tried my best, added some edge control in there, 2 edges. And then this is how it all looks. So, and I think I did pretty good with the help of my nieces, of course, but I think I did pretty good on my own. I would definitely do this again. It was worth all the time that it took to do it, because I'll be daggone, I'm tired of paying these girls $100+ for a Pronto, a hairstyle that doesn't even last that long. Why am I paying you $100? And it only lasts for like 2 weeks, probably even less than it. So I'm sick of paying these girls $100+ for a Pronto quick weave that you can really do yourself. But yes, thank you guys for watching this video, especially watch it all the way through. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at allbaloo. And comment down below, let me know if you guys like this video, how I did my hair. Tell me some tips, things I could have done better if I did do it good. Comment down below, let me know any other content you guys want to see from me, if you like this type of content from me. If you have not watched my first episode of my moving series, go watch that. Start up the series so you can know what's going on with that. And yes, I will see y'all in my next video.